Are wetlands important? Yes, they play a key role in improving water quality, storing floodwater, providing food for animals, and supporting biodiversity. An amazing capability of wetland is that they can lock our atmospheric carbon. They convert greenhouse gas carbon dioxide into organic carbon and store it permanently in their soil. By removing the atmospheric carbon, wetlands help mitigate climate change impacts. Despite such great benefits of wetlands, we take them for granted. Currently, these wetlands are getting lost at an alarming rate from the agricultural landscapes of Canada. Approximately 70% of these wetlands are lost since 1900. This loss of wetland releases this stored carbon back to the atmosphere. In our research, we are investigating the regional wetland loss and their carbon storage potential in different climatic regions of Canada. Our understanding of wetland carbon storage potential would help take informed decisions and measures to protect them. Our study in Southern Ontario indicates that there is a preferential loss of small isolated wetlands from the landscape. We found that more than 350,000 hectares of small isolated wetlands are lost since 1900, which accounts for 90% loss of these isolated wetlands. Restoration of these isolated wetlands could store a lot of carbon. Our results reveal that the rates of carbon storage vary with restoration age. And in case of Southern Ontario, the peak carbon storage rate is achieved after 20 years of restoration. Restoration of these isolated wetlands by 1 hectare can store up to 14 megagram of carbon dioxide equivalent per year, which is substantially higher than previously published rate for wetlands in central Canada. So if we were to restore the lost 350,000 hectares of small isolated wetlands in Southern Ontario, it could store around 4.8 million megagram carbon dioxide equivalent per year and generate a value of $240 million to industry per year, meaning that this wetland restoration is an economically viable option for defending climate change impacts. Our future research will focus on how climate, geology, and topography will influence the carbon storage rate in wetland soil. Wetland conservation and restoration can ensure a long-term health and prosperity of our environment and communities. So it is up to us to make sure these natural defenders of climate change are well protected.